and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are breaking into the door of a 2022 RAV4 and get this door panel off of here to replace the door glass on this guy. And we're going to start with the normal screw hiding behind the handle here. I'm just going to pop that loose. You see the Phillips right there. And then our other ones, we have nothing down the side, nothing underneath here. Got a nice little spot to grip right here for when you pull it loose. But what we're going to do is we're going to slide our ever-present screwdriver behind this. And we're going to start to pop this guy loose here. If you don't like that, you can use a different kind of pig's foot. You can use this guy here. And I'm just going to run right along here and pop this all loose. You want to start here because this guy has a hook at the back side of it right there that hooks in here. So you don't want to start at the back. You want to start up here. Pull that loose and set that aside. And then we are going to pop this panel off here as well. I'm going to come in the front here and just give that a little lift until that pops up, and then back to our ever-present screwdriver, give that a little lift, and we're just going to give that a nudge until that lets go. And then again, we've got a hook up here in the front, so all we're doing when we slide this up here is we're getting this edge to lift up far enough so we don't have to dig down against the plastic and mar that edge. So I'm going to flip this over and unplug these guys here, tuck that back inside, set that aside there, and you can see we got a screw here, we got one hiding down in here and one hiding right there, and then the rest of this is just snap-in space for that armrest. So going to take our extension here and we're going to pop these out like so. Set those aside. I'll go ahead and pull this guy as well. Him aside. And then we are going to pop this door loose. This has a big enough lip right here or down around this corner. I'd rather pull from the corner to get this started. It doesn't take a whole lot of effort to get this guy off. This one pulls loose pretty easily. And we're just going to lift there. That pops out. Look behind here and find all of our plug-ins. These ones are pretty easy. It's just got the ball joint. Just going to slide that out of the way and then slip that one out as well. And then we're going to set this aside here. And that is removing the door panel for a 2022 RAV4 front driver's side door glass. Alright, thanks for watching everybody, and I will see you in the next video.